Welcome to Carney's Adventures. Today I'm excited to share my reviews on my newly installed Ironman suspension on my Subaru Forester. I'll be putting it through its paces, both on-road and off-road, to see how it compares with the standard Subaru suspension. And I'll share my honest thoughts on the ride, comfort, handling and overall performance. So let's get started and see how the Ironman suspension performs. After driving the Ironman suspension on the road, I'm really impressed with the difference. Compared to the factory suspension, the ride is firmer but much smoother and more controlled with no loss of handling. The biggest improvement is over speed humps and local rough roads, where it absorbs the bumps far better than the standard setup, making every drive more comfortable. After a weekend off-road, the Ironman suspension really proved itself. It handled rough tracks, corrugations and uneven terrains with ease, delivering a smooth, comfortable and controlled ride. The Forester felt stable confidence throughout the trip, making off-road driving much more enjoyable. Overall, the Ironman suspension has been a fantastic upgrade. Whether on-road or off-road, it improves comfort, control, confidence in my Subaru. I can definitely recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade their suspension. These are my own honest first impressions after using the suspension both on-road and off-road. I'll continue to put it through its paces on my further adventures and keep you updated as I tackle more tracks around Australia. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching.